My name's Philip Enigoso. I'm an investment professional, and I'm going to be discussing how to issue stock. If you need to raise capital for a business, you can issue stock to people who receive shares for future profits in return. Let me take you through a few quick steps that will help a business in issuing stock. Step 1 is determine the number of shares of stock you will issue each owner. 2, know that each share is worth a proportionate amount of the company's total net worth. 3 is to decide what class of shares you will offer. There's many types: preferred, common, and the preferred can even be convertible. Step 4, hire a printer to print the stock certificates. Step 5, issue certificates to the shareholders. Step 6 is to establish a shareholder agreement, also known as a buyout agreement, dealing with issues relating to stock ownership. And 7, ensure the shareholder spouses sign an agreement if the shareholders live in states in which community property laws govern joint ownership of the property. And 8, consider selling shares to a venture capital firm or a brokerage firm by means to which to raise capital, because they can get involved in the process and make the marketing much simpler. The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered an individualized recommendation or personalized investment advice. Any investment or strategies mentioned here may not be suitable for everyone. My name is Philip Enigoso, and I'm an investment professional.